mind peaceful. Let go of everything. And now start observing your own breath. Bring all your attention to the breath in the nostrils. You do nothing. No need to inhale deeply. No need to sigh. Let the breath go out. Go in naturally. The only thing you have to do is bring all your attention to the breath in the nostrils. The breath is natural, gentle, soft, and you are in harmony with this beautiful melody of the breath. The breath goes out, you go out. The breath comes in, you go in. The short breath you know, the long breath you know. The breath stops, you are aware of the breath. Follow the gentle melody of the breath. Observe the breath. Merge with the peaceful melody of the breath. Enjoy the breath. Enjoy the energy of the breath. Just breath. Just breath. 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 Dear friend, please do not open your eyes no matter what happens. Keep observing the breath. Be with the breath. Meditation means to calm the mind by following your own breath. If any thoughts come, let them go naturally by returning to your own natural and gentle breath. Forget everything. Forget your family. Forget society. Forget your work. Forget your friends. Forget the past. Forget the future. Forget everything around you. At this moment, there is only your own natural and gentle breath on the nostrils. We have beautiful music, but please do not pay attention to the music. Do not pay attention to any sounds around. Keep following the breath until there are no more thoughts. Enjoy the breath. Enjoy the energy of the breath. Let the breath cleanse your mind. Let the energy of the breath heal your body. Bringing the entire attention of the mind back to the breath is called meditation. Dear friend, keep closing your eyes and being aware of your breath. Meditation is stopping all connections with the outside world to go completely inside. There is nothing outside. You go completely inside and connect with yourself. Meditation is the only way to help you realize yourself, and breathing is the only way to take you deep, deep into meditation. Meditation means no chanting, no mantras, no images of any specific teacher. There is only breath, only your own breath. As the mind follows the breath gradually becomes shorter and smoother. The mind gradually calms down and there are no more thoughts. You receive the great cosmic energy that heals all diseases in the body, bringing you health, peace, and happiness. Follow your breath. Let it be gentle and in sync with your own breath. My dear, the last 5-10 minutes, please do not open your eyes. Be yourself. Connect with yourself. Experience and accept everything that happens to you. Enjoy meditation. Enjoy yourself. Last 1 minute, please do not open your eyes. Meditation is simple and easy. Meditation is for everyone and for the whole society. Everyone should meditate. Children over 5 years old can meditate. Practice meditation regularly every day. Meditation is the best gift you can give yourself. You are health, peace, sharing, compassion, full of love and happiness. 10-987-6543-2110. Please don't open your eyes. Slowly remove your hands and touch your fingers to your eyes for a few seconds. Slowly remove your hands. Gently open your eyes and look at your palms. Thank you.